how to find a report a problem on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find the report a problem option on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First, then go to your Facebook app, click on it. Now click on those three lines up there. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon. You can find it here in security, and if you didn't find it between those options, all you need to do is go back and click on helps and support, and you're gonna find it here, which is the option number 3, report a problem. Click on it, and here you can report a problem. Just shake phone to report a problem, and this is it. And it's so easy and quick, like I said. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.